Flip into the future. Rocket is the Huawei Nova Flip, the ultimate foldable with 50MP AI camera and lightning-fast 66W charging. The Huawei Nova Flip features a 2.14-inch OLED outer display with a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, and a 6.94-inch LTPO OLED main screen with a 2690 by 1136 pixel resolution, supporting a 1:120 Hz refresh rate and AI HDR. While the chipset hasn't been officially disclosed, Geekbench suggests it may be powered by the Kirin 8000. Paired with a Mali G610 GPU, the device runs on HarmonyOS 4.2 and includes Huawei's AI Fun features, such as an object remover. It comes equipped with 12GB of RAM and offers storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. The rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.9 aperture and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture, capable of macro shots. In the front, there's a 32MP camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 90-degree wide-angle sensor. Enhanced by the Huawei DaVinci Portrait Engine 2.0. The device measures 169.77 by 75.4 by 6.88 mm when unfolded and 87.76 by 75.4 by 15.12 mm when folded. Connectivity features include dual SIM super acceleration and weak signal enhancement mode, with support for 5G, tentative 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 with BLE, GPS, L1 plus L5 dual band, AGPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, QZSS, and NAV-IC, as well as a USB 2.0 Type-C port. The phone is powered by a 4400 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging. Video interesting? Subscribe and comment below.